Yo, yo guys, yo guys, yo guys. We're in North America, the northern part of the United States, like the eastern time part. Well, there's a snowstorm like tomorrow that's coming up. We gotta take cover right now. Didn't you hear me? There's a snowstorm. Jit, we know there's a snowstorm. We know. Yeah, but we have to take cover right now. Jit, it's tomorrow. Okay, goodbye. Finally, he's gone. Yeah, I know, he's so annoying. What day is it? Saturday? Like today? Oh my gosh, what does it do that? Dude. Are you okay? Breaking news. Breaking news. There was an overload of snow out in the area. Let's hope you all grab your toilet paper because there's no way you're getting out of this predicament. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. Oh, space station is Sawyer. Just as I planned. Ha 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 ha. They did not listen to me. Ha ha ha. Losers.